All right, roundtable. I wanted to give a follow-up to yesterday's session. And just as a very quick recap, in case you missed it, we talked about this is the British pound on a 1 hour chart. We talked about the low here in late May mirroring support, which has shown up in the British pound over the last couple of years. We talked about how we were anticipating a move up, probably to 6150 or 6200, and then we developed a couple of different trading plans to capitalize on those moves. When the market was trading in this area here, actually let me zoom in. Okay, so when we were looking at the market, it was trading somewhere in this mess right there. I pointed out and we developed a trading plan based on an aggressive trade and then based on a conservative trade. The trade that I was looking for was where one in which price came back down to support, and I said I would be content to wait for price to come down to support or to break through resistance up here. Had you taken the aggressive trade, you would have been rewarded with a very fast move in today's session, although a very volatile move. So the trade, I'm kind of forgetting where it was. Let me look at the time. Let's see, yesterday, right, today's the 26th, yes. All right, so 26 around 5 o'clock. All right, so the market was trading right in here around session changeover. So had you traded there with the stop below the low, you'd have seen about 100 pip move into the London session, and then what is that, a 60 pip retracement, and then have price right back up. So overall, the aggressive trade worked out. If you were in that trade, depending on your target, if you're looking to use the aggressive trade as an entry for the longer term trade, then I would suggest, hey, just keep your stop down there and let the thing pan out. If you are looking to take some profits off the table, this is a perfect place to do that. Again, for an aggressive trader, if you're going to take profits, the re-entry would be a break back above this high with a retest. Now, the reason why I'm looking for a retest now is we had resistance here and support over here. What that creates for me then, and actually support back here as well, is a zone that looks like that. Price is unable to break through that zone. So the buyers over here are no longer willing to come in and buy. We had sellers come in here, sellers come in there, starting to see selling come in again. So again, the way the market is panning out, at least for the short term, there are more sellers that are showing them their hand in the market for now. We don't know if that's the professional money trying to hold the market down to induce more people to sell so they can buy. We just don't know. So if I were in this aggressive trade, which again I am not, I would take partial profits in anywhere in this area right at this moment. Price is trading at about 56.30, depending on your broker, with a re-entry on a break above the high here with a retest. You could also use the middle line of FXDB with a retest of that line for a re-entry. And I would be willing to take a stop here, although there's really no reason to do that. If you're in the aggressive trade already, you might as well stop out very near to break even and not take a loss on the trade.